This tutorial I will be talking about buying domain for your website. If you guys already have a domain, you can skip to next video. For those guys who do not have a domain, I will be talking about 3 options in this tutorial: buying from AWS Route 53, buying from namecheap.com, buying from .tk website. So I've already bought a domain from namecheap.com for this tutorial series. If you guys just want to learn the AWS and do not want to actually host your website, then I would recommend getting a domain from .tk website because it's free of cost. So you guys just have to go to .tk, enter your domain name, and you will get it for free. So if you guys want to buy domain from AWS, I will show you step by step. So after logging in, we'll go to services, we'll click on services, then we will write route 53. After writing this, we will go over here and we'll click on registered domains. So we'll go to registered domain and we'll buy a domain from here. That's it for this tutorial. Do like my video and subscribe my channel for new content. I have an Instagram and a Twitter account where I post content on different technologies daily. You guys can check the link in the description. So do follow my Instagram and Twitter. Thank you.